Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Recently, I'm planning a trip to Korea and I'll be making some videos for you guys while I'm over there. So expect to see some Korean videos. The first thing I'm gonna do is show you guys where to buy the charger for it because as you guys know, the last time I went to China, I didn't have the right charger, so the first night I couldn't charge my mobile phone. So this is a travel power plug adapter that I bought from Target. So you can buy one of these at Target for $20. Okay, that's it, which is pretty cheap. So what is this? Well, basically it's got the Australian plug, so your Australian appliance such as your laptop or your camera, plug it into here and then it outputs it with the Korean standard. So that's the Korean plug with two rounded cylinder type sticks. So yep, hopefully this will work in Korea. It's also got two USB ports, all this for just $20 Australian, which is, I don't know, about $15 American, so it's really cheap. So it even says on the power adapter that you can use it in Europe, Russia, Vietnam, South Korea, Indonesia, and other places. So yeah, really good for $20. So that's where you get it at Target. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in Korea.